Here we are at Fabspeed Motorsports, and we have a 997 twin turbo, and we're going to do our video of our exhaust, and we're going to do a sound bite on this car of our sport cats, imported race cats with our muffler bypass pipes, and also explain to you why our Fabspeed sport exhausts are better than virtually all other competitors because of their unique engineered nature. Here you have the factory system on a 997 twin turbo. One large, heavy, bulky system, all welded together. You can't change out the cats, you can't change out the mufflers, you can't change anything. And Fabspeed system consists of two sport race cats that you can see here on the right, or as you can see connected to the muffler bypass pipes. And over there is our sport mufflers for the 996, 997 twin turbo. And what's unique about this, better than anything made in Germany or elsewhere in the world, is Fabspeed uses these aircraft quality Formula One clamps, one nut, one bolt, quick release, and you can unhook the sport race cats from the sport muffler since it's modular, and you can elect if you go to the track or for the street, depending on your personal preference, to hook it up to straight pipes. So for instance, this first video on this car is going to be of sport race cats with muffler bypass pipes. So this center picture is what we're going to run on this car now, and you can quickly, in under 10 minutes, loosen those military quality clamps and throw the mufflers back on the car. So at your whim or leisure, you can change the sound levels that you want when you want, rather than a one-size-fits-all system that's heavy and bulky. Also, if a car is ever in an accident, or you bend something, or you want to go louder later because you're going to the track with your friends, or you just have that feeling, you can do it with Fabspeed and only Fabspeed. Lastly, if there's ever a high horsepower shootout, you can see the catalytic converter in that pipe there. We are the only company, since our system's modular, we can leave the cat out of the car, and you can just leave the core out and run cat bypass pipes with the straight pipes for high horsepower shootouts. And our systems have made the most horsepower and torque of any in the world. Or you can run the cat bypass pipes with our sport muffler. Anyway, now we're going to take this car out and we're going to give you a video sound bite on the car with the sport cats and the straight pipes with the stock tips. Here we are at Fabspeed Motorsports, and we have the 997 twin turbo with the muffler bypass pipes and racing catalytic converters. This system's completely street legal in terms of emissions and sound. It's just a very aggressive system that shows our unique nature of Fabspeed systems being modular. You can go from cats and muffled and medium sound to sport cats and straight pipes like a 935, 962. We're going to have a cold start. Muffler bypass pipes and sport cats. You hear the turbos whistling. Doesn't that sound exotic and cool? 935, 962 whistling as the variable turbos open and shut. Muffler bypass pipes, sport cats on a 997 twin turbo. All this car has on are two race imported catalytic converter sport cats and straight pipes going to the factory tips. We're just trying to give you a bridge shot, because if you ever see an underpass that's real long like a tunnel in Massachusetts or elsewhere, it's fun.